Welcome, in front of me is Soyo M4 Pro Mini PC, and in this video I will show you how to enable on-screen keyboard on this device. To enable an on-screen keyboard, you're gonna have to use a combination of three buttons: Windows, Control, and O. So press these three buttons all at the same time, and this will open the on-screen keyboard on your device. On your device's screen. You can basically place it anywhere on your display. You can reshape and resize it by moving the sides and the corners of the keyboard. It has a numpad to it, which is quite convenient to use if you don't have a keyboard with a numpad. But the other way to enable it is by going to Start, then Settings, then in Settings select Accessibility, then go to Keyboard right here, and then to enable the on-screen keyboard, switch this toggle to the right, and this will enable the very same on-screen keyboard, which you can adjust and place on your screen and make it look however you want it to. Now the other way to enable an on-screen keyboard and make it accessible from any place in your system that you like is by going to Personalization, then going to Taskbar, and then expand this list and select Always next to the Touch Keyboard feature. And once you select Always, this icon will appear on your status bar, and if you click on it, it will call the on-screen keyboard, which looks somewhat like this. Doesn't have a numpad, and but still you can move it along the screen, and you don't have to access settings every time you want to open it. You can just click on it on the touch on your status bar, and basically use it just like a regular keyboard. And that's basically how you enable on-screen keyboard on your device. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.